In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set out of office on Zoom Workplace. If you're stepping away for vacation, heads down work, or a personal day, setting an out-of-office status makes it clear to everyone in Zoom Workplace that you're unavailable. It updates your presence in team chat, mentions, and search, and helps reduce interruptions while still keeping your coworkers informed. Once you're in Zoom Workplace on your computer, look to the very top right corner of the window. Click your profile picture, or your initials if you don't use a photo. This opens your profile menu, where you manage things like your account, and most importantly for today, your current status. In that menu, click the status area. You'll see options like Available, Do Not Disturb, and the one we want. Choosing the status section brings up the list so you can quickly switch how you appear to others. From the list, click Out of Office. As soon as you select it, your status changes across Zoom Workplace. Coworkers who hover over your name or start a chat will see that you're out, which sets the right expectation for response times. Depending on your organization's settings, you may also see fields to add a short note or to choose a time frame for this status. If those are offered, they're great for sharing context like the dates you'll be away or who to contact in your absence. If they're not visible, don't worry. Selecting out of office still works immediately. You'll know it's active when the status next to your profile shows out of office, often with a small indicator icon. While it's on, notifications may behave differently based on your personal preferences, but messages will continue to arrive so you can catch up later. A couple of helpful reminders as you use this. The out-of-office status in Zoom Workplace only affects your presence in Zoom. It doesn't create automatic email replies or change your calendar. If you rely on those, make sure they're handled in the relevant apps. Also, if you don't see the out-of-office option or it's grayed out, your admin might manage availability centrally, so check your organization's policy. And that's all there is to it. Profile in the upper right, open your status, then choose out of office. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you step away with confidence while keeping your team in the loop.